art of green. Stunning color, harmonies for every home. Hello everyone! Welcome back to Styled and Sorted, your go-to channel for all things interior design, organization, and creative crafting. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of green, a color that's as versatile as it is inspiring. Whether you're working with subtle sage, vibrant lime, or deep emerald, green can transform your interiors into a calming retreat or an energetic, creative haven. We'll explore how green works in different color harmonies and practical tips to use it in your home. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident incorporating green into any design project. Ready to unlock the magic of green? Let's get started. Let's start by asking, why is green such a powerful color in design? Green symbolizes nature, renewal, and balance. It's refreshing, calming, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're designing a minimalist home or a bold, eclectic space, green can adapt beautifully. From soft, airy mint greens to deep, moody emeralds, green helps you create any mood, calming, bold, or playful. Let's take a closer look at how green works with different color harmonies to elevate your interiors. Monochromatic harmony with green. Monochromatic color harmony embraces a single hue, green, by blending its tints, tones, and shades to craft depth and sophistication. This harmonious approach transforms interiors into serene, cohesive spaces, ideal for relaxing environments. For example, paint the walls in sage green for a soft grounding effect. Pair them with deep emerald furniture to add richness and depth. Complement with light green accents like cushions or curtains for subtle contrast. This design style is perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or meditation rooms, offering a calming and unified look that promotes balance and tranquility. Analogous harmony with green. Analogous harmony is all about blending green with the colors next to it on the wheel, such as blue-green and yellow-green. This combination creates a seamless, cohesive look that's inspired by the effortless beauty of nature. Examples: picture a deep green sofa, complemented by teal throw pillows and lime green decor. This color palette is perfect for living rooms or creative spaces, offering a lively, energetic feel without being overwhelming. It's a great choice if you're looking to add vibrancy while maintaining a sense of calm and cohesion. Complementary harmony with green. Green's complementary color is red, but don't worry, you don't need to go full Christmas mode. Use muted tones for a balanced look. This pairing creates a vibrant contrast that feels bold, yet balanced. It's an excellent way to inject energy into a space while maintaining sophistication. Examples: olive green and terracotta. Paint your walls in olive green for a natural, earthy vibe. Add terracotta vases, rusty orange cushions, or a reddish-brown area rug for a warm and inviting feel. Perfect for dining rooms, entryways, or even kitchens with a cozy, rustic charm. Sage green and coral. Start with sage green walls for a soft, calming effect. Pair them with coral-colored throw pillows, artwork, or a vintage-inspired rug to add pops of energy and life. Ideal for creative studios, living rooms, or bedrooms where you want a lively yet soothing aesthetic. Emerald green and burnt orange. Use emerald green as a bold statement color on walls or large furniture. Incorporate burnt orange throws, cushions, or ceramic pieces for an upscale and vibrant look. Great for formal dining rooms, stylish offices, or reading nooks. This approach brings depth, energy, and sophistication to any space. The boldness of red tones, when muted, blends beautifully with green hues to create a space that feels energetic yet cohesive. Do not forget to stick to an 80-20 rule. Use green as the dominant color, 80%, and red tones as accents, 20%, to keep the balance visually appealing. Add natural elements like wood and plants to tie everything together seamlessly. Split-Complementary harmony with green. Split-complementary harmony is a fantastic way to add depth and vibrancy to your space while keeping it balanced. By using green alongside the two colors adjacent to its complement, red-violet and red-orange, you create a design that feels both sophisticated and dynamic. Examples: living room. Paint them in a soft moss green for a natural grounding effect. Add a rust orange sofa as a bold focal point. Include plum throw pillows or a cozy rug to tie the look together. This creates an elegant transitional style with just the right amount of vibrancy. Dining room. Use olive green to set a calming backdrop. Pair it with red-orange dining chairs and a plum-toned centerpiece for a stylish and energetic space. Incorporate gold or wooden decor to balance the richness of the palette. Bedroom. Opt for sage green walls to evoke serenity. Use burnt orange bedding to add warmth and plum curtains for a regal touch. This combination blends a tranquil atmosphere with bold, luxurious accents. To ensure the design doesn't feel overwhelming, follow the 60-30-10 rule. Use green, 60%, as the dominant color. Introduce red-orange, 30% for boldness. Add red-violet, 10% for contrast and depth. This style is perfect for transitional or contemporary designs, offering elegance with a touch of vibrancy. Whether you're working with a living room, bedroom, or dining area, this palette is versatile and effortlessly chic. Let the balance of these hues infuse your interiors with energy and sophistication. Triadic harmony with green. Triadic harmony is all about balance and energy. It uses 3 colors evenly spaced on the color wheel, green, orange, and purple, to create a bold, playful look that still feels cohesive. This color scheme offers a striking yet harmonious contrast, making it ideal for spaces where creativity and vibrancy are key. Examples: home office. Paint them in a soft or vibrant green to set a refreshing and inspiring backdrop. Add purple artwork or a colorful rug for depth. Use orange cushions, vases, or desk accessories for a pop of warmth. This approach will cultivate a vibrant workspace that inspires and energizes creativity. Kids' playroom. Opt for light green walls for a soothing base. Use orange storage bins and purple seating for a fun and dynamic atmosphere. Incorporate playful rugs or toys in the triadic palette to tie it all together. Living room. Keep the walls green for a calm and grounding effect. Add an orange armchair or ottoman to serve as a focal point. Use purple pillows, throws, or vases for an elegant contrast. This will create a bold and energetic yet balanced living area. This combination is perfect for creative spaces like home offices, kids' playrooms, or even bold and lively living rooms. The colors work together to infuse energy and personality into the space. As I mentioned earlier in the previous sections, maintaining cohesion in your space is easy with the 60-30-10 rule. Green, 60%, as the dominant color. Orange, 30%, as bold accents. Purple, 10%, as smaller, contrasting details. Green with neutral colors, gray and beige. Green harmonizes effortlessly with neutral colors like gray and beige, resulting in a timeless and elegant vibe. This pairing offers incredible versatility, allowing you to create spaces that are either moody and modern or warm and natural. Examples: modern living room. Sage green walls create a soft and calming backdrop. Charcoal gray sofas and armchairs lend a modern, moody touch. Add beige throw pillows or a light gray rug for subtle contrast. The interplay of muted tones keeps the room grounded and sophisticated, while showcasing a clean, modern aesthetic. Natural kitchen. olive green cabinets for a refreshing yet earthy feel. Beige or cream countertops add warmth and softness. Incorporate natural wood elements, like a cutting board or bar stools, to tie the space together. This combination exudes warmth and coziness while maintaining a sleek, timeless style. Cozy bedroom. Sage green walls offer tranquility. Use gray bed linens with beige throw blankets for texture and layering. Bring in wooden furniture and neutral curtains for a cohesive look. The blend of green with neutrals creates a serene retreat. When using neutral colors with green, play with textures and materials to add depth and interest. Pair matte green walls with glossy metallic accents, or mix soft fabrics like linen with raw wood for a balanced and dynamic look. Why choose this palette? Neutral palettes with green offer the perfect mix of balance and sophistication, making them ideal for any room, be it a cozy living room, a functional kitchen, or a serene bedroom. They're versatile enough to adapt to various styles, from minimalist modern to warm farmhouse charm. Practical tips for using green in design. All right, I hope you've gathered some valuable insights from this video. Before we wrap up, here are some quick and practical tips to help you confidently work with green in your designs. 1. Start small. Try green in plants, cushions, or rugs before committing to larger items like walls or sofas. 2. Mind the lighting. Green looks cooler under natural light and warmer under artificial light, so always test shades in different lighting conditions. 3. Add texture. Pair matte greens with glossy metallics, or combine green velvet with wood for depth and interest. 4. Avoid overdoing it. If your space is small, use green as an accent to avoid overwhelming the room. Wrapping up, and there you have it, the ultimate guide to using green effectively with different color harmonies and neutral palettes. Whether you're designing a serene retreat or a bold, energetic space, green offers endless possibilities to enhance your interiors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Styled and Sorted for more interior design tips and inspiration. Now, over to you. How do you plan to incorporate green into your next project? Do you have a favorite green harmony combination? Share your thoughts in the comments below so we can see your beautiful designs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.